Service goes to Ambassador, 6 points. 6 game. What a game. What a match. Ambassador players are rising. 6 game. What a shot by Banu. 6 game. Ambassador 6 points. Manoj Singh game ball. Match is running. Continued. What a match. Afternoon match. Second match. Ambassador versus Manoj Singh. Weather is very cool. Players are playing as well. What a match. 6 game. Please watch this match. What a shot. Yes, good place. Good place. Yes, match is running. What a taken. What a shots. Match is running. Who is win? Mohan versus Avinash. What a shot. What a taken. Good game. Ambassador versus Manoj Singh. This match is prestige. I think home ground Ambassador players are racing. 6 game. Yes, match is running. What a shot. What a taken. Wow. This is Daba volleyball from Ambassador. Yes, good game, good place, good players. 6 game. Yes, match is running. What a game, what a shots. What a taken. Wow. This is the, I think, challenging game. Ambassador versus Manoj Singh. Players are playing well. Good place. 6 game. Ambassador point 6. Manoj Singh game ball. What a place. What a technique by Banu. Yes. Matches continue. What a shot. Good game. Good match. Yes. Very cool match. This afternoon second match. Ambassador versus Manoj Singh. All players, 2 team players playing as well. What a taken. This is good match. Good match. Afternoon match. Wow. Match is running. Good taken. Ambassador players and Manoj Singh players playing as well. Wow. Good taken. What a match. All this goes to Ambassador, score 7 game. Ambassador point 7. And Manoj Singh game. Service goes to Ambassador. What a chasing. What a racing. 7 game. This is volleyball. Taba. What a taken by Ambassador Captain Mohan. This is good match. Afternoon match. Second match. Mohan versus Avinash. 7th game. Match is running. Ambassador players staging. 7 and game. Match is running. Yes. What a playing. Players are playing well. This is Ambazari ground. Village name Ambazari. Ambazari versus Munu Singh match. This is second match, afternoon match. Ambazari points. This goes to Ambazari points 8 game. 8 game. Ambazari service. 8 game. What a rising. What a chasing by Ambazari players. What a match. Afternoon match, second match, Ambazari versus Munu Singh. This is magical game, I think. What a chasing. 8 game. Well shot. Yes, what a game. Very effective game. Second game. Afternoon game. Final ball, game ball, last ball. Munu Singh. This is game ball. Game and 8. Ambazari versus Munu Singh. This is second match. Home ground, Ambazari grounds. 8 Ambazari points. But Munu Singh, final ball, game ball, winning ball. Match is running. Tension. Who is win? Please watch. Very effective game. Wow. Taking very well. Yes. This is final ball from Munu Singh. Yes. 8 game. 8 game. Yes, match is running. Who is win? Who is win? Match is running. Yes. What a match. What a game. Yes, finally. Munu Singh won the second match. Match won by Munu Singh. Winners Munu Singh.